Hello, welcome. My name is Quentin Carlin and we're here on a beach in South Korea, but soon I'll be coming to Hong Kong. My good friend Natalie has reached out to me to come and help lead retreats talking about mindset, personal development, relationships, business, and helping people take their life to where it is, to where they want to be through goal setting and teamwork building. So if you're in Hong Kong and you want to come out and connect, this is going to be a very great workshop, retreat. We've got them for companies, we've got them for personal people, open to the public, very reasonably priced, and most importantly, it's fun. We'd like to get you active, very interactive, and help people get connected and network. You know, you're in Hong Kong, you probably work at a company, you want to meet people outside your industry, outside your company. This is a great way to network and meet other professionals that are looking to get better results. So a little bit about myself. I have a personal development podcast, been involved in personal growth and human potential for about 15 years. And I work as a university professor here in South Korea, and I can't wait to meet you at our next retreat.